back in November of 2021. Of course, we know what happened at Oxford High School there in Michigan. 4 students shot and killed by then 15-year-old Ethan Crumbley. Well, now a historic ruling from the Michigan State Appeals Court. The parents of the Oxford High School shooter can face trial. James and Jennifer Crumbley are both charged with involuntary manslaughter after their son admitted to killing 4 students and hurting 7 others back in November of 2021. Now, remember, this was working its way through the legal system about whether they could be charged and whether they would go to trial for these 4 counts each they're facing of involuntary manslaughter. Fox 2 Detroit reporter Charlie Langton has this story.
The Supreme Court ordered a lower court to give an opinion as to whether or not the parents of convicted Oxford High School shooter Ethan Crumbley should be charged with manslaughter. Some thought new law was about to be made.
This is an exceptional set of circumstances.
In a unanimous 3-judge Court of Appeals opinion on Thursday, the court ruled James and Jennifer Crumbley can stand trial for manslaughter. Were you surprised by this decision? Todd Perkins is a respected criminal defense attorney who has followed the case from the beginning.
The answer to your question is no, I'm not really surprised, because I think the courts see this as a case that needs to be tried.
In an exhausting review of the facts, the court laid out a case against the parents, showing problems in the Crumbley family as early as 2021, when the 15-year-old reflected mental health instability, and the parents knew it. A fact pattern that the court noted is not present in most cases.
But I don't think this is the situation in which the prosecutor's office is trying to say, or the courts are trying to say, every parent needs to be worried about, or needs to be worried about being charged for their children's behavior.
The opinion also notes the prosecutor doesn't have to show as much evidence to start the case as it has to do at trial.
If probable cause is here, beyond a reasonable doubt, it's way up there.
And that's for trial.
That's for trial.
And anything can happen when the jury speaks at trial.
You know, once the jury speaks, and these people could be found not guilty.
An appeal is likely. No trial date has been set. In Detroit, Charlie Langton, Fox 2 News.